I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. We finished sewing on our ears and our spots. Now we're going to sew the doggy head sections together. First, let's remove our pins because we don't need them anymore because we've sewed everything in place. And we'll put the two doggy head sections together with the wrong sides together so the right sides are out. And you can pin them. We have, we're going to sew from here all the way around to here. And we're going to be pinning it. We'll stop at this mark here, at this mark, which is where we folded to make our leg section. Okay, there's our fold for our leg section. There's our leg section. And so let's pin right there so that we'll know when to stop. Right here. And we'll put one pin in there. And then making sure you match up both your pieces. Alright. This is where our pin will go, right here. And I'll put a pin in there. Okay? Now, let's start our sewing. You want to start with your needle on the inside fabric so that that will hide our knot. Okay? There. Now the knot is on the inside and you won't see it. And you can close this up, close up the head, and put a pin to hold it in place. You can put as many pins as you want. If you need a lot to hold that doggy together in place while you're sewing, you can put in as many pins as you want. Let's see, I'll pin up the back. And it's sometimes nice to put a pin in the tail. You just want to, if you're working with kids, you just remind them that pins are sharp and they have to be careful. Usually they don't poke themselves too much.